are getting answers to your immigration questions. I don't even know what. 3.5. Fatu in Cincinnati, Ohio. Fatu. Fatu.
Hello, Brad.
Hi,
I have a question.
Yes.
Good year. I just got my 10-year green card, and then let's say that my marriage is falling apart, and I was thinking about leaving with the kids. My question is the law requiring me to stay there?
No. You have a 10-year green card. When did you get your 10-year green card?
2 months ago, or a little less than that.
Okay, no, the law doesn't require you to stay in an unhappy marriage. You could leave. When you go to apply for your citizenship, they may question you why the marriage broke up right after you got your 10-year green card, but it is what it is. If you were in a real marriage and it broke up, and that's what it is.
Okay.
All right, but you don't have to stay in an unhappy marriage. Nobody ever says that.
Okay, so I shouldn't be having any trouble other than that?
Nope. Other than that, no.
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. Good luck. Rhea in Chicago, Illinois. Rhea.
Hi, Brett.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Brett. I'm doing good, thank you. I do have a question about my current immigration situation. I married a U.S. citizen in 2018. Initially, I came on H-1B visa. I'm from India. And soon after my marriage, he was abusive and he was doing drugs. He got incarcerated. And at the same time, I filed my I-485 and I hired an attorney. And he said it was okay. And then, I proceeded with my I-485, the I-130, 131.
You did the I-45 with the abusive husband who was in jail? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, yes,
okay.
sir.
All right. And
yes.
when was
so
this? When was this?
Right before he was incarcerated, we filed the documents, and after 1 week,
what year was this?
2019 March.
Okay.
And then he was arrested, and then in 2019 September, I got an interview for I-485. I did by myself, because he couldn't come because he was incarcerated. And later, I got annoyed in May 2020, stating that there are inconsistencies in my marriage because of the abuse and on me. I couldn't prove that my marriage is bona fide. I have all the evidence.
Why didn't you just file an abuse case from the beginning?
I did, sir. I did. But the noise was really terrible. They also pulled my H-1B record that my ex-spouse's date of birth was mismatched.
So then, if it was a real marriage, we have to help you prove that. I don't know how to, do it on a live show at this very second, but I think you probably would want to have a consultation with me. And let's try again, okay? And we'll prove it's a real marriage. You can try again, okay? If there's abuse, there's abuse.
But the problem here is they sent me a note in on May 15, 2020, and internally the records say that on June 5th they denied my 485.
So what I'm saying to you is we'll try again. We're going to refile everything
again.
All right? You can file again. There's no law that says you can't. So if you failed the first time, we look at the reasons why you failed, and we say, how can we correct these failures? How can we do this better? How can we do that better? And we submit a new application. So hold on one second, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Let's go to Ausman in Madison, Wisconsin. Ausman.
Hi, Brian. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I have a quick two questions here. One is when you have your spouse I-131 pending, and then you have the baby. So how are you going to add that baby into your spouse I-131?
Wait, I'm confused. You filed for your wife. You're a U.S. citizen or a resident?
Resident.
Okay. And your wife just gave birth to a child, and where's your wife?
Yeah, it is outside the United States in Europe.
Okay. And where is the case at this moment?
The case is with USCIS. The I-31 is not yet approved.
I-130 is not yet approved. Okay.
Yeah.
So what you'll do is just wait for the approval, and then the case will get sent to the National Visa Center. And when the case gets to the National Visa Center and they write you for a fee bill, you will write them back and say, I need an additional fee bill. We've since filing the I-130 visa petition, I'm the proud father of a new baby boy or baby girl or whatever it is. And you submit a photocopy of the birth certificate to the National Visa Center and say, please add this child on, send me a fee bill for the child as well, and then that's how you're going to add it on. If you send a copy of the birth certificate now to USCIS, it won't reach the file. It'll never coordinate. So you wait till it gets to the National Visa Center.
Okay. My last question is actually about like N400 application. So number 23, so they're going to ask you.
Stop right there. If you are applying for your citizenship,
yes,
and you become a citizen before your wife gets her green card, even if you want to include your child on that application, the child's going to fall off, and then you're going to be a very sorry man that your wife is here and your baby's left back home. So now that I know that you are filing for your citizenship, my advice to you, in addition to what I just told you, is file a separate I-130 visa petition for your daughter. Is it your daughter or your son?
My son.
Yeah. File a separate I-130 visa petition for your son right now, because you have to understand and know that once you become a citizen, even if you add your son onto your wife's case, if she's not here yet, the son gets taken off. So knowing that is all going to happen, file an I-130 now, so at least your son is not too far behind your wife if you become a citizen.
Okay. So, so I have that question on the citizen form. There is like a question like, have you ever been arrested, cited, or something like that? And then I put I already submit my application. I put there no, but like I'm an asylum seeker, and then on my asylum application I put there I was arrested. But I don't understand that question very well. That's why.
So you'll fix it at the time of the interview.
You say what?
You will fix it at the time of the interview. You go into the interview, say, I answered the question incorrectly. I want to fix it.
Okay, no problem.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Wait. Let me ask you a question because I want to make sure you understood me. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.